Crack-a-lackin'. Welcome back to another video. To start, I'd like to thank you guys for supporting. I'd like to thank you guys for tapping into the content. And for the new subscribers, thank you guys for subscribing. Just within the week, I say about 3 days, I picked up on 36 subscribers. So I'm super thankful and super blessed for it. My name is JR, and I like to make car content. So if it's not from racing, it's for me working on the cars or some fabrication videos. So if you guys do like the content, feel free to like, share, subscribe, turn your post notifications on, and stay tuned in for the content. So a goal of mine is to reach 100,000 subscribers. I don't know how long it'll take, but it is what it is. We're gonna keep pushing to the goal. So if you guys can, like I said, like, share, subscribe, and turn the notifications on. So with the appreciation, I like to do like a little giveaway. I don't know what I'll be giving away, but I like to do a little giveaway. It's gonna be a free giveaway. Go ahead and comment in the comment section. Let me know what you guys are interested in. So today I'm gonna be doing an EK exhaust setup. I got a full stainless exhaust setup here for the homie Brian. He purchased everything. I'm gonna just be doing the fabricating part of it. So let me show you guys what's up. It's a vibrant resonator, Jack Spania exhaust tip. We got a V-band setup here, and there's a PLM exhaust kit. I'm gonna do my very best to fit up the 3-inch in here. It's gonna be tight. It is B-Series, so the shift link is just gonna be in the way, but I'll work around it. That's what we do, only solutions, never problems. Yo, what up? What's crack-a-lackin'? This is gonna be the last update for the night. I'm closing out here and I'm gonna shut down the garage. Tomorrow I'll be back out here and I'll finish the rest of the exhaust setup. For the most part, I try to be respectful to my neighbors, unless it's race day. Race days are a different story. I'll be out here till about 5 in the morning, 5:30 in the morning, it doesn't matter. If I had to fabricate to get something to the event, that's what I'm gonna do. If I have to do maintenance on the car to get to the event, that's what I'm gonna do. To begin with, early in the morning, I shut down to the homie Slimeball's house. Big shout out to him. If you guys don't follow him on YouTube, feel free to follow him. Subscribe, like, share, run his comments up. He's out here doing his thing too. He has an all-wheel drive EK. It's boosted K. So yeah, you guys are interested, tap into his channel. He really came through and he saved the day. Remember the piece that I needed? He had it on hand. So he also had the flange. See that? Big old mama. There's another one crawling somewhere right there. These are all the webs from the bottom of the car. So yeah, you could see them. That's business right there. So this is the side that I'm gonna leave undone. Once again, hitting underneath the car. There's a lot of spiders. There's a black widow going that way. So I'm gonna kill that one right now. There's the header, the 2-bolt flange right there with the reducer to 3-inch. First V-band clamp. I was missing this portion here, which I last showed you guys. I got this buzzed in. I just used a little slip pipe. It slips on. Got it zapped all the way around. On the top, I did have a big gap, so I had to fill it in as best as I could, but it's all sealed up. I added my own hanger here. Used some flat plate, stainless, little DOM tube, and I got it buzzed in, so this holds the center column all the way down. It's kind of difficult to make hangers on 3-inch piping, but yeah, it's there. Second V-band clamp. And it is clean. This is to the resonator. Here's the resonator. Third V-band clamp. Tucked up in there, minimal space. Here's that piece that bends out to the third V-band clamp. Or there's a fourth V-band clamp. This is just before the control arm. So you can see it's in there. I couldn't get this hanger. It's too close to the piping, so it's gonna fly. That's just what it is. Then it comes around and goes to the exhaust. That's the last V-band clamp to the jack Spania. Now the turn down. I'm pleased with the way the exhaust is looking. It looks clean. It should do well. If there's any issues, the homie could always bring it back, and hey, I welded it up, so it's not a big deal.